this is number 13, 7.2. I've already started this one a little bit. So our claim is mu is greater than or equal to 1477. Okay. Well, there's only two of them that have greater than or equal to, and we always use the claim number, not the one we get from our statistics. So we're going to choose the 1477, and that then the alternate would be less than. How do we get the standardized test statistic? There's a couple different ways. One way is to use the formula x bar, which that'd be our value, so 1471 minus 1477 divided by the standard deviation, which is 30 over the square root of the n. In my case, that's 28. So that's one way. Probably not the way you guys will normally do it. 1.06, negative 1.06 right there. Okay, you guys will probably elect to use the calculators, more advanced information. Okay, standard deviation is 30. Everything else I think I have is the same, and I got everything's right here now. X bar 1471, n is 28, and we're going to calculate. Okay, and we get that same number, but also now it's going to give us the p-value. We don't have to go and use inverse norm to figure out the p-value since we're getting it here. But that's how you would find it. You would take your standardized test statistic and you'd figure out what the area is to the left of this, and that turns out to be 0.14. I guess I can show you that, 0.145. But I'll show you that that's the case. So we'd go normal CEDF if you wanted to solve it this way, which I'm not sure you will. And we're going to go from 0 up to, and I've already got probably a rounding error in here. Maybe I'll get out of here and actually grab that value. It's z. Okay, so here we go. Normal CEDF, lower is negative infinity, which we already have, up to our z value, which you can find. Once you run the test statistic, you can find that z value here in test. So hit enter there. All right, let's see what the area is, and that'll be our p-value. And there it is, 0.145, same as what we got. Okay, so do we reject? Well, if I compare this p-value to our alpha value, p is bigger, so we will fail to reject. And since the claim is with the null, there is not enough evidence to reject the claim.